This is my shelf of projects. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ruin here, and I got a short video for you today. I made another desk. If you guys remember, I made a desk in my previous video, and from scrap wood of that, I thought I'd do a little bit of experiment and make another desk, but more so on the focus of experimenting with grout. I remember seeing a video way back. It's by a Homemademodern, Ben Uyeda. He did grout on wood, and me having some scrap wood, thought I'd put some on it. Thought I'd try it out and experiment on grout and wood, and turn the rest into another desk, because you know, desk space is a bit of a commodity nowadays. So. So what am I going to do with this desk? Side B-rolls? I don't know. Sometimes I don't like to be on my computer desk all the time. Sometimes I just want to doodle, and I just want to have like my own doodle, write, or just chill. I don't want to have the computer screen on my face all the time. So I think that's when we mainly use that one. Or maybe some, like I said, B-rolls, unboxings. Maybe I just want to doodle, stream doodling some designs or whatever. My next woodworking project, maybe I'll do that over there. You know, much cleaner and extra space. You know, it's like what they say, it's free real estate. But that's about it. This is a short video. It's more about the experimentation of the grout on wood, which is a success. It works. It's all right. If you have grout lying around, you want to play around with it, definitely suggest. If you have carving knife, a router, a Dremel, probably you can draw on it. Or if you're fancy and you have an X-carve, probably use that. But if you don't, if you're like me and I only had like a table saw or a saw blade, I just kind of like freehand it. Yeah, you can probably do that too. But that'll do it for me. See you guys in the next one. Ruin out.